When you hit the road in your new Mercedes-Benz, you don't want to think about routine maintenance. With Mercedes-Benz Prepaid Maintenance, you'll get a maintenance plan as advanced as your Mercedes-Benz. Because no matter where your journey takes you, your coverage will be honored at more than 380 Mercedes-Benz dealers across the nation. You'll get the best service by factory-trained technicians using only genuine Mercedes-Benz parts. New vehicle owners can choose from 2 to 4 year packages, and certified pre-owned vehicle owners can choose from 2 to 3 year packages, each depending on the year and mileage of your vehicle. Make the decision at the time of your vehicle purchase and build the cost right into your monthly vehicle payment. Plus, Mercedes-Benz Prepaid Maintenance gives you the convenience of saving time when picking up your vehicle after maintenance service. You just sign and drive away. And when you purchase prepaid maintenance, you can save up to 30% on service and parts versus paying for services as you go. Mercedes-Benz Prepaid Maintenance. Enjoy your engineering marvel with peace of mind and savings when you pay in advance.